Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check Audi A7 oil level. Unlike older vehicles, your Audi A7 relies entirely on its multimedia interface, or MMI, for oil level readings. There is no physical dipstick to pull out. To get an accurate reading, first make sure your car is parked on a flat, level surface. Then, drive the car until the engine reaches its normal operating temperature. After that, turn off the engine and wait for about 2 minutes before proceeding. Once your engine has rested for a couple of minutes, turn on the ignition without actually starting the engine. Now, look at your MMI display. You'll want to navigate to the car menu. From there, select Systems or Settings, depending on your specific MMI version. Finally, choose the Oil Level option, and the system will display your current engine oil status. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. The MMI display will show a segmented bar representing your engine oil level. A full bar indicates the oil is at its maximum safe level, which is ideal. If the bar is low, it means you need to add some oil. It's best to add oil in small increments, perhaps 1/4 of a liter at a time, and then recheck the level after a short drive and another 2-minute wait. Remember, overfilling can be just as harmful as underfilling, so always add cautiously. Here are a few crucial tips for maintaining your Audi A7's engine oil. Always use the specific type of engine oil recommended by Audi for your model. You can find this information in your owner's manual. Regular checks are vital, so aim to check your oil level every 1,000 miles or so. If you receive a low oil warning on your dashboard, address it immediately. Maintaining the correct oil level is essential for your engine's longevity and performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.